What's up, everybody? This is Justin from Party Rental Knowledge.
Yo.
I'm here with Martin. I'm here with Oscar.
What's up? What's up?
We're not here with Bouncing Angels. You know they're from Bouncing Angels, but shout out to Bouncing Angels. But we're here to talk about inflatable cleaning solution and inflatable clothing store.
Yes, sir.
So why don't you let us know what the hell that is?
So me and my brother, we started our own company. It's called ICS. It stands for Inflatable Clothing Store and Inflatable Cleaning Solutions. So it's a lifestyle brand that we want to offer to all rental operators. We're going to be doing a lot of stuff that is useful for operators, and also we want to do some cool stuff right here.
First drop right here. Justin's wearing it. It's a roller dye tee. This t-shirt, cool part about us here is every drop we do, we're going to be doing a giveaway. On this certain one, we're giving away a 13 by 13 of your choice. Or $1,000 cash.
And we're not, no gimmicks here. We're literally paying for everything. You're getting the bounce house of your choice. We're accessories and shipping. And we're picking somebody. It's a 2-week starting last Monday, or yesterday?
Yeah, this past Monday.
This past Monday all the way to Black Friday. So you only have a 2-week span to order your Bouncing Angels hat or the ICS shirt. The roller dye, this is our first design. And we're gonna be coming out with a bunch of different designs. Cool stuff that rental operators are going to resonate to. That we want to glorify being a rental operator and working hard for your money.
You got some ideas for a shirt collab coming soon.
Look out, coming soon. ICS and PRK.
And you heard it here first. This is going to be the first collab. We had a couple companies ask us to do a collaboration giveaway, and we're going to give our first collaboration to our good friend Justin at PRK.
I appreciate it, man.
So we're going to do something awesome. It's going to be cool for the whole industry.
At the end of the day, you see all these people doing these raffles, waffles, whatever you want to call them, all over the place, and you're just throwing money, and honestly, it's not that much money, and it's a gamble, and you can win. Well, at the very least, you're still doing that pretty much, but you still get a t-shirt, you still get a hat.
Yeah,
you get hat. We're doing one-off, so you'll just rotate them. Honestly, the concept's awesome. It's really cool.
It's fun.
Everybody in the party rental industry, I seem, is like a klepto, or not a kleptomaniac, like a pack rat. Like we're all hoarders. We love shit. Like I love t-shirts. So
yeah, definitely. So this drop now until Black Friday. After that, you'll never be able to get the shirt again. Yeah. And then we'll be announcing the giveaway Black Friday.
Yeah, so we're gonna be doing either Black Friday or the following Monday.
Yeah.
We're gonna do a live video so you can see it's completely legit. So I'll have Justin here post this video ASAP, that way people can know about it with the link to go ahead and purchase. Every purchase gets you one entry into getting that bounce house.
If it's either the shirt,
either shirt,
or then two, we got the BA hats.
We got to throw in the BA hats because a lot of people have been asking for it, so we're doing that with them first. We're doing the awesome shirts, and like I said, after that's done, we're gonna go on another design and do a PRK collab. We want to do something fun. Like I said, this is for the industry. This is a lifestyle stuff. We want to look cool while we're doing what we do. And on top of that, we're gonna have fun, you know? Like we wanna make sure everyone is either leaving with something cool, like you said, not just a raffle. We don't wanna do no gimmicks. This is gonna be something where you're buying something and you know what? You might get something out of it. It's something that's definitely worth it. Like Oscar said, a bounce house or $1,000 cash.
At the very least, you get a t-shirt.
And at the very least, you get a badass t-shirt.
But at the end of the day,
I said ass.
I don't care. So we talked about the clothes, but let's talk a little bit about the solution too.
Let me get that solution. We did a soft drop here on our solution. This is the first bottle that we're doing. We're gonna go over to full chemical. We don't want to dilute it. The bottle that we're with can make 36 of these bottles right here. So this is the only solution that I know in the industry that also not only shampoos but conditions inflatable. So a lot of people, it took us about a year to get this solution. We had a chemist that we worked with that is in another cleaning solution industry, and he's been doing it for about 30 years. So it took us a while to get the solution. We found it. We finally got it. And what this does right here, it's gonna condition. It's gonna protect the clear coat. It's gonna keep your inflatable nice and firm.
Smells good.
Yeah, it smells awesome. It's gonna protect the threading, it's coat the threading, and it's also gonna protect the Velcros as well. And the best part about it, it works on tables, on chairs, and tents.
Yeah, and this will be available at inflatableclothingstore.com.
Yeah, so we have our inflatableclothingstore.com, which also, like I said, ICS for short.
Has the hat, it has the ICS.
We're gonna also be coming out with a bunch of other accessories that we want to showcase for you guys to make being a rental operator easy and being cool also.
Don't come out with another blower, for God's sake.
No.
I've seen like 5 different blowers this year.
No more blowers.
No more blowers. We're just gonna try to make everybody make the rental operators life easier and look cool while you're doing it.
I look cool. Like and subscribe, everybody. Have a good one.
Peace.